Correction. Joanna Rowling was born on 31st July 1965 at Yale General Hospital near Bristol and grew up in Gloucester in England and Chepstow Glen in South East Wales. Her father, Peter, was an aircraft engineer at the Rolls-Royce factory in Bristol, and her mother, Annie, was a science technician in the chemistry department at Widean Comprehensive, where Jo herself went to school. Annie was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis when Jo was a teenager and died in 1990. Before the Harry Potter books were published, Jo also had a younger sister. The young Jo grew up surrounded by books. I like for books. He said, I was your basic common or golden bookworm, complete with freckles and national heritage pictures. Jo wanted to be a writer from an early age. She wrote her first book at the age of 6, a story about a rabbit called Rabbit. At just 11, she wrote her first novel about 7 cursed diamonds and the people who owned them. Jo studied at Exeter University, where she read so widely outside her French and classic syllabus that the clocked up a fine of 50 pounds sterling for overdue books at the university library. Her knowledge of classic world on one day come in handy for creating for the spells in the Harry Potter series, some of which are based on Latin. Her closet included a year in Paris. I lived in Paris for a year as a student. Jo tweeted after the 2015 terrorist attacks there. It's one of my favorite places on earth. After her degree, she moved to London and worked in a series of jobs, including on as the researcher and Amnesty International. After her degree, she moved to London and worked in series of jobs, including one as a researcher with Amnesty International. There in my little office, I repeatedly spread that letters smuggled out of totalitarian regimes by men and women who were risking imprisonment to inform the outside world of what was happening to them. She said later, my small participation in that process was one of the most humbling and inspiring experiences of my life. Jo conceived the idea of Harry Potter in 1990 while sitting on a delayed train from Manchester to London King Cross. Over the next 5 years, she began to map out all 7 books of the series. She wrote mostly in longhand and gradually built up a mass of notes, many of which were scribbled on a scrap of paper. Taking her notes with her, she moved northern Portugal to its English and French language. Married George Arantes in 1992 and had a daughter Jessica in 1993. When the marriage ended later that year, she returned to the UK to live in Edinburgh with Jessica and a suitcase containing the first 3 chapters of Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. In Edinburgh, Jo trained a teacher and began teaching in the city schools, but she continued to read in every spare moment. Having completed the full manuscript, she began the first 3 chapters to a number of literary agents. One of them wrote back asking to see the rest of it. She said it was the best letter I had ever read in my life. The book was first published by Bloomsbury Children's Books in 1997 under the name J.K. Rowling. The K stands for Kathleen, Harry Potter marked the modern name. It was added at the publisher request. We'll talk about the obviously female author may not appeal to the target audience of young boy. That book was published in the US by Scholastic under a different title. Again at the publisher request, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone in 1998. 6 further little followed in the Harry Potter series, each achieving record-breaking success. In 2001, The film adaptation of the first book was released by Warner Bros. And was followed by 6 more book adaptations, concluding with the release on the take film Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 2 in 2011. J.K. Rowling has also written 2 small companion series, which appear as the title of Harry School books within the novels Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them and Quidditch Thorpe. The Edge were published in March 2001. In Age of Comic, released in December 2008. A third companion volume, The Tales of Peter the Third, was published in Age of Her International Children Charity, Lumos. In 2012, J.K. Rowling digital company Pottermore was launched, which became Wizarding World Digital in 2019. Pottermore Publishing continues to be global digital publisher of Harry Potter, Fantastic Beasts and the Wizarding World. Also in 2012, J.K. Rowling published her first novel for adults, The Castle Vacancy, Little Crowley, which has now been translated into 14 languages and was adapted TV by the BBC in 2015. Under the pseudonym Robert Galbraith, J.K. Rowling also writes crime novel featuring private detective Cormoran Strike. The first of this, The Chukos Calling, is published to critical acclaim in 2013, and first without the author to identify by now. The third one followed in 2014, Career of Evil in 2015, Little Bill in 2018, Trouble Blood in 2020. The Impact Heart in 2022 and The Running Great in 2023. The series also all been adapted for television by the BBC and BBC. J.K. Rowling 2008 Harvard Commencement Speech was published in 2015 as the illustrated book Very Good Life. The brings benefit of failure and the importance of imagination, spirit, and sold in aid of Lumos and University with financial aid of Harvard. In 2016, J.K. Rowling collaborated with playwright Jack Jones and director John Tiffany and on a original new story for the stage, Harry Potter and the Cursed Child Part 1 and 2 opened in London and is now playing at multiple locations around the world. The script was published Little Brown to Mark to play the opening in July 2016 and instantly topped the bestseller list. Also in 2016, J.K. Rowling made her screenwriting debut with the film Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them, a feature extension of the Wizard World, which was released to critical acclaim in November 2016. There was the first in a series of the adventure featuring Maggie Zoologist, the new Scamander, and she set before the time of Harry Potter. The second film, Fantastic Beasts: The Crime of Grindelwald, was released in 2018, and the third, Fantastic Beasts: The Secret Dumbledore, was released in 2022. The screenplays were published to coincide with each film release. Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them, the original screenplay 2016. Fantastic Beasts: The Crimes of Grindelwald, the original screenplay 2008, and Fantastic Beasts: The Secret of Dumbledore, the complete screenplay 2022. In May 2020, J.K. Rowling fairy tale for young children, The Age Above, was series for online for children during the COVID-19 pandemic in the summer of 2020, and I now published as a book illustrated by children, with her royalties going her charitable trust Poland to benefit charities helping to alleviate social deprivation and assist vulnerable groups, particularly women and children. Her latest children's novel, The Christmas Tree, a standalone adventure story about boy's love for his most treasured thing and how far he will go to feed it, was published in 2021 and has been a bestseller in UK, USA, and Europe. J.K. Rowling has been married to Dr. Neil Murray since 2001. They live in Edinburgh with their son, David, born 2003, and daughter, Mackenzie, born 2005. Honor and awards. 1. Convention of Honor Certificate. Literature and Philanthropy 2017. PEN America Literacy Service Award 2016. Freedom of the City of London 2012. Caritas Lumos. J.K. Rowling is founder and the president of Lumos, an international children's charity fighting for a richer track to a family by transforming care system and around the world. Lumos is like on the root causes family as separation, poverty, conflict, and discrimination, and the demonstrations that children can safely be united with loving families that help them thrive. Anne Rowling Regenerative Neurology Clinic. The Anne Rowling Clinic was founded by a donation from J.K. Rowling in 2010 in memory of her mother Anne, who died in 1990 from complications related to multiple sclerosis. The clinic delivers clinical care and research to improve the life of people with degenerative condition affecting the brain, as well as hosting specialists and HS clinic for this condition to continue to be success exclusively through the Anne Rowling clinics. The Fallen Charitable Trust. J.K. Rowling also supports a wide range of projects and organizations of the Charitable Trust Fallen, which set up in 2000 to administration to charities primarily in Scotland, which help alleviate social deprivation, particularly affecting women and children. Thank you.
Good. Nice.